Oh, leave us alone, puppy. Say hi to the camera, Gil. Say hi, Gil.
We're not used to the camera. She goes, come here, let me show you how to do this.
Yeah.
Hi, Abigail. Hi, the mama. Hi, the mama. What's up, Yukio family? We up and about to go back to sleep, probably. I'm tired.
Hell yeah. Got the whole family with us after Mother's Day. Got the mama dog and the baby dog.
Daddy dog. Mama dog. Look at them gills.
Yeah,
they
get
so
down.
Pretty. They so put.
Hey, yeah. Shit. Yeah, you think you so slick. Just because you little. No.
All right, get down.
No.
Get down.
Just because you little, you think you could get away with anything.
What does it get?
Get out of here, Stinky. Pretty dog.
Abigail.
Get out of here, pretty girl.
My mama. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hi, big mama. Watch out. Watch out.
Hot spots.
What? What you looking at on my face? All in my face. Hi, pretty girl. The little girl. That's the little girl. That's the little girl. Look at that face. Look at the big girl face. That's the big girl.
How you got your face on my
That's
face?
the big girl. That's the big girl.
Hi, girl.
Spoiled ass.
You got your face on my face.